Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Mainuddin Ahmad. I am a specialist in internal medicine and a hepatologist. Now I am assistant professor of hepatology working in 250-bed General Hospital, Kurigram. Welcome you all in my new page and YouTube channel, which is called Concept in Clinical Medicine, Basic to Advanced. I have created this platform primarily for the medical students, interns, and residents and junior doctors. When I was a medical student myself, my learning style was always integrated. I found that if we learn integratedly and concisely, then it is easier. So I tried to study anatomy and physiology, pathology, clinical medicine, and after that I tried to combine everything at a time. Actually, in anatomy, a medical student read what is the structures and how they are formed, and in physiology you used to read how they are working, and in pathology a medical student learns what are the disturbances that occur in this normal anatomy and physiology. And after that, in medicine, we used to learn in a concise manner what is the process of this disease, what is the cause of the disease, and what are the clinical features that occur, and how we can identify these clinical features in clinical examination, and then what are the investigations needed for the diagnosis of the disease, and ultimately what is the management approach. So during reading, medical students find medicine difficult as because they cannot integrate these things. So in our page, I will follow this style. That is, I have learned from many years of my medical studying and medical profession, and I will specifically focus regarding the concept based teaching and linking the basic science with the clinical practice, clinical reasoning and clinical decision making, and teaching medicine from basic to advanced level. And actually this is not a routine coaching page. It is not targeting towards earning money, and it is not about memorizing guideline. I will basically target for understanding the medicine from basic to advanced level. If you have a clear understanding about anatomy and physiology and pathology, then if you can combine them easily, then you usually do not need to memorize it. Rather, you can understand, and the concept will be in depth of your mind, so that you can keep it and you can practice it when you need in practical life. So welcome in our journey, and I hope you will enjoy in my page and our channel, and let us practice it and share it together. And I will expect your like, comment, subscription and sharing. Any information, any idea, please share with us and remain with us. So with this, thank you all everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.